Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is breaking news. Yes, breaking news. YouTube monetization is going from 4,000 watch hours to 8,000 watch hours to get monetized. Absolutely insane, but this is what they're doing. You can't change this, unfortunately. So if you're a small content creator, you need to know this. So if you're getting really close to the 4,000, you really need to get going ASAP. The reason why is because you have until February 1st to meet that threshold to get monetized. If you don't, they're going to bump it to 8,000 hours. So what that means, if you're a content creator new and you're just getting going, it's going to be tough, but you can do it. It's going to be a little bit more difficult. The reason why they're doing it's a lot of different reasons, as YouTube is growing. And they don't give a lot of information why they're doing this, but they are moving the needle to 8,000 watch hours. But the good news is you do have about 6 months to get it ready. So if you're close, keep working even twice as hard. You can get there, because once you get there, once you are monetized, they won't take it down. As long as you continue posting and continue that 4,000 watch hour situation there, you should be good. They're going to grandfather everybody who's in it. But if you don't, if you have 3,999 hours and February 2nd comes, they're going to bump it to 8,000 hours, which is kind of a bummer. So I do get it. I mean, it's very frustrating. So let's go over a couple things that they're talking about. Let's look at some of the posts on the official YouTube post, and let's talk about that right now and just see what they're saying. So you can see here the YouTube Partner Program has been launched over 20 years ago. It's hard to believe, but 20 years ago. Embodies the core belief of YouTube and content creators successful together with the YouTube YPP, which is a YouTube Partner Program, remains the only program that pays creators consistently, transparently, and at scale. With over 3 million creators in the program. That's only 3 million. I thought there would be more than that. That's really not that many. With over 3 million creators in the program. That's not that. That's crazy. We're making the first significant change since 2018 to ensure that the YPP continues to be the leader in the creator economy by meaningful reward active creations. In fact, we expect to pay even more to creators in 27 than we did in 26. So that's kind of exciting, right? I think that's kind of cool. So I think they're trying to just maybe give you more money, but I think it's still coming out with this information. So don't be discouraged. They're going to actually create more income, I believe, for content creators, because they're going to be less of us, I guess, doing this. So there'll be more available, maybe more funds, maybe be better quality content, maybe there'll be a scale. I'm not really sure. This is just my thought. Let's continue reading the article. So it says here Premium Lite. So we're expanding Premium Lite to all countries where we offer YouTube Premium. The subscription offers uninterrupted offline and background viewing in most content. So this is basically the people with the premium service. Creators can make some money as well as watch hours. This is the Premium Lite. Creators earn money from these subscriptions through the dedicated pool revenue with each subscription. Type 30% of net subscription revenue premium and 60% are Premium Lite. This is association value. You can continue reading this. So basically they're changing that as well. So it looks like you might be getting a little bit more of the share pool. They're expanding it to other countries. So there's a lot of things going on here. YouTube does these shifts every now and then. They do these massive shifts. I mean, years ago, even before I started YouTube, you had to be invited in. You just didn't get in. I mean, you had to be a huge content creator. You had to have a name for yourself, and they would invite you in. So now you can actually earn your way in. So that's by being consistent. That's by being transparent. That's by being honest. And that's just another way of doing it. So you can continue reading this. I'm going to go to the next article. So also YouTube Shorts is changing. So we're updating how we distribute Shorts revenue to reward creators who drive conversation and engagement on YouTube. Creators who already earn significant revenue from Shorts are unlikely to impact these changes. So beginning February 1st, 2027, creators who have 10 million qualified Shorts viewers over the last 90 days will be eligible for ads subscription revenue. Sharing their Shorts channel below. Threshold remains on YPP. Continuing earnings and long content, which revenue sharing automatically seeing monthly we cross 10 million views. Okay, so basically you need to do 10 million views every 90 days. It's very interesting. They want you to really constantly create shorts. If you're going to do shorts, you really have to be really keep doing it. Where let's see what they said there. Broadbanding revenue opportunities to creators to reward growth, engagement, and more by introducing new and incentive programs rather than recently solely on ad revenue for creators below the 10 million threshold. So in other words, they're going to give you some opportunities if you're below 10 million. So there's different things happening here. Again, this is all new information. This just broke today, less than the last 5 hours or so. So this is all brand new, fresh information that you're receiving right now. So if you have a channel that's growing, get on it multiple times a week. Don't overdo it. You got to be careful, but definitely hit it a little bit harder. Let's continue to the next article. Okay, here we go. So the YPP adds in premium thresholds. To keep pace with the growth of YouTube, we are now seeing over 2 billion daily short viewers and over 1 billion hours of watch time on TV every day. We are updating our YPP entry requirements for ads and premium revenue sharing for creators. This update won't impact creators already in the YPP. New creators applying for YPP, that's you know what that means, will need 8,000 qualified hours in the last 365 or 2 million qualified shorts views in the last 90 days to stay in the threshold or fan funding. Shopping products remain unchanged. Oh, God. Taking together these updates allow us to invest in new incentive programs that directly support creator growth and many business models that work across YouTube. Creators can view and sign. So you have to sign this terms. And another thing too, guys, this is another big deal. So you have to the end of 2027 to sign this agreement. If you don't sign this agreement, they will bump you out of the creator connection. Okay, I mean you'd be on that creator connection in the YouTube program. YouTube partner program. They will take you out. So you make sure you read that. It doesn't matter. You have to sign it anyway. You just agree. There's no choice. If you're in it, just agree. You can read it, but it doesn't really matter. And that's pretty much what you have to do. Now, is this stressful? Is this aggravating? Yes. Is everybody upset about this? Yes. But you have no control. You are on their platform. This is how it works. You're playing by their rules. It's their game, and it's your job to. They're giving you plenty of time. They're giving you 6 months notice. So if you have, let's say, 2,000 watch hours right now on your channel, but start working on it. Do 2 good content videos every week, or even 3. Like space it out every couple of days. Maybe focus on the niche. A niche will really do it much faster. If you do live streaming, that will really get you there much faster. So there are strategies that are out there. So definitely search, learn, understand the algorithm. Don't get frustrated and don't give up. People give up and people get frustrated all the time. Look, that one time they had that shooting years ago at YouTube. Remember, somebody got mad because they changed their YouTube program. You can't do that. Listen, this is the way it is. This is their world. We are all learning. This is helping all of us grow and becoming better content creators. So don't be frustrated. Don't get aggravated. Get out there and do your best, but be consistent. Consistency is the key to success for any business, including this. So I definitely say don't give up. Keep posting, keep creating content, and just take this as another education, another learning curve that you can see the creator economy growing, and this is proof of that. The creator economy is growing. Things are going faster. There are more rewards for better content. This is what it's doing. More rewards. This is the exciting part. Okay, so this is what's happening. So listen, guys, if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel, because this is what we do to help you, educate you, and inform you about things like this. So get on it, get out there now, get going, and don't forget to follow me for more information, and hopefully anything else breaking news in the future, I'll let you know, because that's what we do here. Appreciate your time as always, and I'll see you at the next review.